In physics, we often have to take measurements, and we come across two terms: accuracy and precision. It's very important to understand these two terms. Suppose there is a dart game you might have seen. This is bullseye. Now let us say 4 darts are thrown and they hit somewhere like this. So this I would call low precision, low accuracy. Suppose in another situation they are like this. This is high precision and low accuracy. Take another scenario. So this time it is like this. So this is high accuracy and low precision. And what would be my fourth case, the desirable case? It is high accuracy and high precision. Only these 4 possibilities available to us. So this bullseye is what is desired, is what is required. Okay, it is close to the true value. We will see what is true value, but this is the true value. When you are hitting very close to it, you are calling it a very good level of accuracy. But when you are hitting all the 4 which are closer to themselves but far away from the accurate value, you are saying that the accuracy was less but the precision was high. Practically, what is desirable? Definitely this is more desirable, but it is practically not possible. Even though we desire this, but very rarely we achieve this. Okay, we are always somewhere here and here. This is no way acceptable. Okay, but the main point would be that we should be as close as possible to the true value. So definitely a high amount of accuracy is what is our goal. So let us try to understand with another example. Let us say there is a wall and there is another wall, and you measure the distance. You find it 2.2 meters. You took a very high level of good instrument, most modern instrument you have taken, and you got these values. And suppose you took a tape and measured, and you took 3 measurements, and these 3 measurements were 2.6, 2.5 and 2.7. So you can see that they're little far away from the true value. The true value was supposed to be 2.2 meters because you have taken a costly instrument and tried to measure the exact distance. So in this case we will say that even though the measurements that was taken was precise, but it is nowhere closer to the true value. Okay, so the difference between these two terms is basically this. Try to understand that. Often in questions you come across this, so you should be able to interpret the real meaning of that.